Good morning. This is Barb and Movement with Purpose. My name is Barb Eisenberg. I'm a physical therapist assistant and also a licensed massage therapist. Thank you for joining me. So I work with Therapy at Home. We are a therapy services business. We provide physical, occupational, and speech therapy services. So I hope you'll check out our website. It's tahcares.com and find out what we can do for you to help you live a healthy, active life for your whole life in your own home. So today I'm going to be following up on some healthy, positive changes we can make in the new year. Last time we were talking about fiber and how important that is for health and reducing our risk for heart disease and strokes and helping manage blood sugar so you don't get diabetes, all of those things. Fiber is very important, but going along with that fiber, you need to drink plenty of water because our body really needs that water. Why? Because we are actually made up of a lot of water. Our brain and our heart are actually about 73% water. That's a lot. Our lungs are 83% water. Skin is 64% water. Our muscles and our kidneys are about 79% water. Even our bones, which you wouldn't think about, are 20 to 30% water. So important. Every cell, every tissue, every organ needs plenty of water to function properly. Think about all those things going on, substances moving in and out of cells, organs doing their thing, kidneys releasing urine, liver processing things to eliminate some of the toxins that we have in our body. Our lungs have to take in the oxygen and circulate that throughout our bloodstream and release that carbon dioxide. So all of that digestion, removing toxins in our kidneys. Our joints need water for proper lubrication so that our joints don't become stiff and sore. It's also important to drink plenty of water to maintain a healthy weight. It helps us process our food so that we get the nutrients and we won't feel hungry when we need more. It helps us feel full. It also helps us because sometimes when our bodies are saying to drink more water, we might think we need to eat and reach for some food. That's one of my issues, is that if I'm tired or fatigued, I often reach for something to eat, and really my body is trying to tell me, I'm getting the wrong message, but my body's trying to tell me to drink more and hydrate, and instead I might reach for that snack. So I really have to pay attention, try to become more aware of what messages your body is telling you. So some of the signs of dehydration that you want to look for, if you have small amounts of urine output or if your urine is darker, that's a sign that you need to drink. If you have a dry mouth, if you're sleepy or fatigued, that's the one that I tend to miss. That often means that you need to drink. If you start getting a headache, a lot of times that means you're dehydrated. And when it gets more serious, you might become confused. We've had a patient in the past that was so dehydrated, she actually was having a hard time responding or was responding very slowly. Her brain wasn't functioning properly. Very serious. She had to go to the hospital. Don't want to get to that point. So really try to pay attention to what messages, what cues your body is sending you. If you're dizzy or lightheaded, make sure you drink some water. That could be another sign that you're dehydrated. So let's give some tips for drinking enough water. The recommended amount for most people is 6 to 8 glasses a day, depending on your body size, depending on how active you are. If you're more active and you're breathing more heavily, you're going to lose a little more water in your breath because you release a little water vapor when you breathe. Some of the things are to help you drink more water. Make sure water is really the best thing. It's the best thing for your body to process. But if you don't like the taste or you want something different, herbal teas are a great thing to drink. Black or green tea or coffee, you want to keep on low amounts because those contain caffeine, and caffeine actually makes you urinate more and lose more water. So low amounts of caffeinated beverages. Soup broth is another thing that's really good to hydrate. Fruits and vegetables have lots of water in them, so you can eat fruits and vegetables along with drinking water. If you don't like the taste of water, you might try a slice of lemon or a slice of lime, throw that in there to help it have a better flavor for you. Sometimes, especially in the summertime, you can have frozen strawberries in your freezer and just throw one of those in. Makes your water cold and also gives it a little flavor. You might add a little bit of juice, like orange juice or cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is known to help reduce your risk of urinary tract infections, so that's another thing to keep in mind. Remember, if you're hungry, try drinking water first. That's the cue that I often miss. I often will eat before I drink, and often your brain is trying to send you a message that you need to drink more, and instead you reach for that snack. If you're tired, try drinking some water. It's another sign that you may be dehydrated. Some people like to schedule their drinking, so maybe every hour reach for a glass or fill up your glass and drink a glass of water. Other people like to have the whole jug that they want to drink for the whole day, so they can see it and watch it go down, and they know how they're doing on their drinking. So by the end of the day, you want to finish a whole big jug of 8 glasses. I have this one that's about 2.5 cups, so I want to fill this up at least 2 times, probably 2.5 times, and then I know I'm doing good on my water drinking. So drink lots of water. Remember, your body really needs the water to maintain proper functioning of all our organs and cells. Keep that in mind. I'm going to take a drink before we get started. Grab your chair. And we'll get started with a warm-up. All right. Sitting tall and lifting one knee and lifting the other knee. Up with one and the other. Up and up. Up and up. Warm up. You want to have nice deep breaths. And blow it out. And you can do one knee for 4, 3, 2, and 1, and the other for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch 4, 3, 2, and 1, and other 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to go out with the knee. Step out to the side and bring it back. Just one side. Out and in with the knee. Out, in, out, and in. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And other knee. Out to the side. Out and in. So you're taking a step out to the side and bringing it back. 4, 8, and 7, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go side to side. So right knee out and left. We'll just do it. 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Out and out. Good job. Let's move on to shoulders. So we're going to reach out with both arms and then pull back like we're rowing a boat. So you're pulling your shoulders back, pulling your elbows behind you. Reaching out and pulling back. Reaching out and pulling back. Reach out, pull back, reach out, pull back. So this is even working your core. When you lean forward to grab those oars, you're working your stomach muscles to hold you up. Pull, reach and pull. 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 Let's go one hand. Reach and pull. With one, you can reach a little farther. Use the other hand on your knee for support. Reach out and pull. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Other side. Reach out and pull back. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Keep going. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Let's go back and forth. One side, reach and pull. Other side, reach and pull. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Back and forth. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. Let's go back to doubles. So both hands out, pulling back. Both out, pull back. Out, pull back. Out, pull back. 3 and 2 and 1. Good job. Roll out the shoulders a little bit. All right. Let's reach arms straight out to the side and tip to the side. We're flying like a plane. And back to center, tip to the side, back to center. Side and center, side and center. Keep going. We're working around the waist, working the core, working shoulders, lots of different body parts. Side and center, tip to the other side, back to center. Side, center, side, and center. Good job. 3 more, 2 more, and 1 more. And roll out the shoulders. Now let's go hands on your shoulders and we're going to do a rotation. So turn and look to one side, sitting up nice and tall. Back to center and turn the other way, looking to the right. Hold it, back to center and turn to the left. Hold it there, really working the core, working the shoulders, working the back. Back to center. Turn and look the other way, to the right. Hold it, sitting tall. Back to center, one more time, either side. Turn and hold. Really working the waist, working the shoulders. Back to center, turn to the right. And hold, big twist. Deep breath. And back to center. Reach way up to the ceiling. And blow it out. Another deep breath. And blow it out. Good job. All right, we're going to lean back. So scoot to the front of your seat and lean back. And we're going to ride a bicycle. So circle one leg and circle the other leg. Circle and circle. Try to keep your feet off the ground if you can. Really working the legs, working the stomach. Circle around like you're riding a bike. Circle and circle. Gets kind of hard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to jump in a pool and we're going to kick. So legs straight out. straight legs and kick, kick, kick. We're just going for 10, 9, keep kicking, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Good job. Now let's go up. Hold on to your chair and lift both knees up and down. Can you do that? Both knees up and down. Good. Both knees up and down. Both knees up and down. One more. Both knees up, pull it, and down. Good job. All right. One leg straight out in front. Knee is straight, working the quad muscle, and pointing your toe down and up, down, and up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Working the calf, working the ankle. 8. And down. Other leg straight out, knee is straight, toe pointing up and down, up and down. Good. Keep going. Toe up, toe down. Knee is straight out in front of you. 5, 6, 7. Really working the calf. 8. Now we'll do a similar thing, but feet are on the ground, and you're going to lift your heels up, working your calf, and lower your heels down. So up with the heels and down, sitting tall. Up with the heels and down with the heels. Up and down, up and down. Working the calves, working the feet. Up and down, up and down. Working the toes a little bit, stretching out the toes, up on the toes, up, and 8. Loosening up the ankles a little more, so one leg straight out in front, and make a circle with your toe or your ankle. Loosen it up. And circle the other way. Circling that ankle. And left leg out in front. And make a circle with your toe. Circle one direction. And then circle the other direction. Good. Now sit to the front of your seat, and we're going to lift the knee up and kick out. Bring it back and down. Knee up, kick, back and down. Up, kick, back and down. Lift up, kick it out, back and down. Left leg, knee up, kick, bring it back and down. Up and kick, back and down, up, kick, back and down, up, kick, back and down. Let's go back to the right leg, up and kick, back and down, and switch, up, kick, back and down. Let's do a few fast. So kick and kick, kick and kick. We're going for speed this time. Fast, 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 fast. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Good. When we go for speed, it gives you more power. So power and speed go together. Now we're going back to shoulders. So we're going to push like we're pushing a heavy object. Pushing straight out in front. And then pushing straight up to the ceiling. Pushing straight out in front and up. Pushing front and up. Looking up, looking forward. Push up and push straight out. Pushing up, we're working the triceps, back of the arm. Pushing forward, pushing up, forward, and up. Pushing forward, pushing up, pushing forward, pushing up. Good job. 3 more, up. 2 more, up. And last one, push forward, push up. Whew. Shake out those shoulders. And we're going to reach way up with one hand, straight up in the air, and then reach over to the side. And bring your arm down. Same arm, right arm up, reach over to the side, and bring it down. Reach up, and reach over to the side, and down. One more, reaching up, over to the side, and bring it down. Left arm, reaching straight up, reach a little higher, really try to stretch out those ribs. That means you're also working your spine. Reach over to the side, up and down. Up, higher, over to the side, and bring it down. Reaching up, reach over to the side, and bring it down. So when you reach up, you're lengthening these muscles. When you reach over, you're activating the muscles. Up and reach down. Reaching up, a little higher, reach over and bring it down. Good job. More shoulder work. We want to have strong shoulders. So hands straight out in front and open wide. And then pull back like you're rowing that boat. Out to the side and pull back. So we're alternating. Out to the side and pull back like you're trying to pull your elbows behind you. Out to the side and pull back. Hands way out to the side and pull back. So when your hands open up, your elbows are straight, you're trying to pull your hands behind you. Then bring your hands together, pull the elbows back. Out to the side and back. Try to stay nice and tall, sitting straight in your chair. Pull your elbows back. Out to the side, elbows back. Out to the side and back. Out to the side and back. All right. Let's stretch out the hamstrings. So one leg straight out in front. Bend from your hip joint. Lean on your other leg and come forward. Trying to stretch out the back of your leg. And nice deep breath. And switch legs. Bring that foot back. Left leg straight out in front, toe pointing up. Hinging at the hip, bending forward. Chest is up. Trying to feel a stretch down the back of your leg. Nice deep breath. And blow it out. Good work. Let's stretch out the shoulders. So bring one arm across and bring the other arm across. Give yourself a big hug and round out your back. And then come up, open up one arm and the other arm, and then cross one arm and the other arm. Give yourself a hug, squeeze, round out your back. So we're stretching the upper back and the shoulders. And then come up, open one arm up, open the other arm up, and hands on your knees. Now for the lower back, hands on your knees and then bend at the hip joint. Try to lay your chest right on top of your knees. Lower yourself down. Looking toward your toes, let your head hang.
Stretching out the back, lower back, a little upper back, little neck stretch, and then slowly come up. Deep breath and lower down one more time. Trying to lay right on top of your knees. And let your head hang. And then slowly come up. Now let's loosen up our fingers. So arms straight out in front. Make a fist. Fingers out. Make a fist. Out. Make a fist. Stretch your fingers wide and fist. Wide and fist. Wide, open and close. Open, close. Open, 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 and open. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shake out those wrists. Make some circles with your wrists. So loosen those up. Circle both directions. Now we're going to loosen up the neck. So make a circle with your neck or with your nose. Start with a small circle and slowly get bigger. Looking down, looking left, looking up, and looking right. One more, looking down, looking left, looking up, and looking right. Now look right, going circling the other direction. Look up, looking left, and look down. Tuck that chin tight. Looking right, looking up, looking left, and looking down. Tuck that chin. That feels better on my neck. All right, let's open up the chest. We always like to end with some good posture work because as we get older, our shoulders tend to get rounder and rounder. We want to open it up. So hands behind your head. Bring your elbows in and out, in and way out. 3 and 4. Now hold the elbows out as far as you can for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elbows in and out. 2, 3, 4. This time you hold them out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In and out. It's the last time. In and out. In and out with the elbows. One more. In and out. Hold those elbows as wide as you can for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach up to the ceiling. Take a deep breath and blow it out. 2 more deep breaths. Release any tension and blow it out. 1 more nice deep breath. Reach it up and blow it out. Thank you for joining me. This is Movement with Purpose. I'm Barb Eisenberg. I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.